Seems like everybody has a Forex YouTube channel nowadays, right? It's time for you to see why I'm one of the longest running YouTube channels with relevant, consistent, and timeless content. The most consistent and real Forex mentor and trader who's going to show you live results all the time. I urge you all who are aspiring students to give me a call and experience the difference. 619-451-6508. All right, so by now, most of you should know that my name is Yusef Scott. I'm the guy behind the So Darn Easy Forex University. I'm also better known as the Forex Gold Online. Listen, if you're in need of Forex training, go and check out SoDarnEasyForex.com, where I offer day trading, long-term trading, scalping, indice trading, all of that, all right? Go check out the website, see what I can do for you, all right? So as I tell you guys all the time, very grateful and thankful to have you guys here supporting this channel. You know, this is a 7-8 year long running channel. I've been doing this for a minute. So you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed to this channel like all others, get subscribed to this channel. Also follow us on social media. We're on Facebook and Instagram as well. So I wanted to put together a video. I haven't done this in a long time. Most of you know me for putting out trade alerts over the years. I'm talking about free trade alerts where I say, look, check out this market, check out this market, expect this to go up, expect this to go down. And a lot of you have taken those trade alerts and boom, you made money, all right? And I'm able to do this because I'm confident in what it is that I see. I know how to analyze the charts. And so I'm gonna give you guys a free trade alert, let you guys, feast on an opportunity that I've shared with my students yesterday that I believe that that has great potential. All right, so let's dig right into the charts. All right, so this right here is the Euro USD. You guys see this right here is the Euro USD. Now, if you guys see, I have a level here. All right, and if you notice, this level has been respected well over the last several years. This is dating back early, first quarter of 2015. In fact, if you guys have been following me over the years, it was 2014 when the Euro USD was crashing, it was dropping down. And during that time, I put out the video 863 pips in 12 hours. And that was off of this run down, all right? Now, I want to tell you guys something. It was during that move down where it came to this level. And over the years, 2015, it jumped up, came back down. Late 2015, went up, came back down. You know, at the end of 2016, the market then ascended, and then it came up to here, and it came back down towards this level. Now, I want to talk to you guys about this area right here. Whether or not you guys know, and this is where a lot of my logic, this is where a lot of my this is where my bias is coming from. Okay, for real. While the market came to this level following the move down that I rode. All right, it came here a couple times. This was a non-catastrophic event. This was COVID, a worldwide situation. The market went up and came back down, and it could not even get to this level. Even during a catastrophic event, it could not get to this level. Now, let me tell you guys about the place where it came to. Whether or not you guys know, give you guys some history. So this area right here, this was the French presidential election. All right. Early 2017, when the market, when the Euro pairs, they all ascended. All right. And when the market went up and came back down, it went back down to that same area. Couldn't even get down to here. It went back to the same area during COVID. Now let's fast forward. And this is when the market went up, following COVID, went up and came back down. It's down here at the very same level, I might say, where the market was following the drop from 2014. So my belief is this market stands the chance to go up. Now, as a trader, you have to know when to get in. You have to know, you have to have an idea of, or a reason to get in. You can't just get in just because I'm telling you, I'm expecting the market to go up. You have to know when to get in. All right. And for what I'm looking at, this market is having a hard time breaking this level. We've been here now since last week. We've been here dancing at this level since last week. So it's not to say that it couldn't continue going down. It's just to say that everything that I'm seeing right now is showing me signs of it failing to go down. So the more reasons that I have that it's going to go up, chances are it'll go up. Okay, so keep this in mind. You guys really need to, you have to figure out when to get in. You have to figure out when to get in. If you choose to trade with a stop loss, take profit, you guys know I don't believe in those. I believe in being able to watch the market, trade the market, have a reason to get in, and know your outs. You get in manually, you get out manually. I believe in that type of trade, but to each his own. Find a reason to get in, trade at the proper volume, and get this money. So hopefully you guys will be able to take advantage of this opportunity on the Euro USD. Please know that you still have to have your reason for getting in. Just because I'm telling you to expect this market to go up, you know, it's quite obvious that every time it hit a certain level, it bounced and go up. But you still have to have a reason to get in, and you still have to manage your account, meaning you have to practice safe money management. You know, you can't just trade really heavy because just because a market is expected to go up, or just because it goes up, it doesn't mean that it's going to, you know, go all the way up right away. It could go up a little bit, then pull back really hard and then go up. And if you don't have the account strength, or you don't have enough money in your account to withstand the market pulling back hard on you when you're already in the market, you're going to lose while trading in the right direction. And that's crazy. I see that all the time. So just keep that in mind, and you should be fine. All right. So listen, as I tell you guys all the time, have nothing short of a fantastic day. Remember, stay healthy, stay safe. And let's remember to stay creative during the times we live in. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.